Hello students, in this video you will find explanation of Act 3 Scene 3. It is a short scene where Antonio tries to change Shylock's attitude towards him, but on the other hand Shylock is very happy to see Antonio in his present condition and insists on the forfeiture of the bond. So let's now begin with the text. The scene takes place in a street in Venice. We have Shylock, Celerino, Antonio, and the jailer present in the scene. Shylock. Jailer, look to him. Tell not me of mercy. This is the fool that lent out money gratis. Jailer, look to him. Jailer, guard him closely and do not ask me to show mercy. This is the fool, indicating Antonio here. So this is the fool that lent out money to people without charging any interest. Jailer, guard him closely so that he cannot escape. Antonio. Hear me yet, good Shylock, but listen to me, good Shylock. Shylock, I will have my bond. Speak not against my bond. I have sworn an oath that I will have my bond. I will take my bond and do not speak against it. I have taken an oath that I will take my bond. Thou callest me a dog before thou hadst a reason, but since I am a dog, be aware, my fans. You called me a dog when you did not even have a reason for doing so. And since you called me a dog, so therefore be aware of my teeth. The Duke shall grant me justice, and the Duke will give me justice. I do wonder, the naughty jailer, thou art so fond to come abroad with him at his request. I really wonder, you good-for-nothing jailer, you are so foolish that you brought him out of prison. Him is Antonio here. You brought him out of prison at his request. Antonio. I pray thee, hear me speak. I request you, Shylock, listen to me what I have to say. Here Shylock is continuously insisting on justice and the forfeiture. Forfeiture is the pound of Antonio's flesh because he was unable to pay the amount on time. And Antonio is trying to change the mind of Shylock. Shylock. I will have my bond. I will not hear thee speak. I will have my bond and therefore speak no more. I will take my bond and not listen to you speak. I will only take my bond and therefore do not speak anything to me. I will not be made a soft and dull-eyed fool to shake the head, relent and sigh and yield to Christian intercessor. I will not be made soft and a stupid fool and shake head and show pity and give way to the Christians who plead with me. Follow not. I will have no speaking. I will have my bond. Do not follow me. I will not talk with you. And I will only have my bond. So Shylock doesn't want to listen to anything. He just wants to take his bond. And he leaves the stage. Celerino. It is the most impenetrable cur that ever kept with men. Shylock is the most hard-hearted dog that ever lived with men. Celerino, a friend and well-wisher of Antonio, curses Shylock for having such a behavior. Antonio, let him alone. I will follow him no more with bootless prayers. Let him go, forget about him, and I will appeal him with no more useless prayers. He seeks life, his reasons well I know. He wants my life, and I know the reasons behind it very well. I often delivered from his forfeiture many that have at times made moan to me. I have often rescued from his clutches many people who have appealed to me. Therefore, he hates me. And this is the reason why he hates me. According to Antonio, Shylock's reason for hating Antonio is that many a time Antonio has saved many people from Shylock's clutches who were unable to pay the money back to Shylock on within a stipulated time. Salarino. I am sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold. I am sure the Duke will never allow him to take this forfeiture or the fine from you. Antonio. The Duke cannot deny the course of law. The Duke cannot deny justice to him. For the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice, if it be denied, will much impeach the justice of the state, because the right that the foreigners, the strangers with us have here in Venice, if it is denied, it will be an acquisition to the justice of the state, since that the trade and profit of the city consists of all nations, because the trade and prosperity of the city depends on the international trade. Therefore go, these griefs and losses have so baited me that I shall hardly spare a pound of flesh tomorrow to my bloody creditor. Therefore you may go, and this sadness and all the losses have made me lose so much weight that I can hardly give away a pound of flesh to my bloodthirsty creditor tomorrow. Well, jailer, on. Well, jailer, take me with you. Pray God, Bassanio come to see me pay his debt, and then I care not. Pray God that Bassanio comes to see me how I pay the debt, and then I do not care for anything. Antonio, he displays true friendship. He is not bothered about his life, rather he wants to see Bassanio once before he dies. And this scene leaves us with a suspense whether Antonio will be saved from the clutches of Shylock or not. With this, I end the explanation of Act 3, Scene 4. Thank you.